Alright guys, here we are. Beautiful Redington Pass. Got the seat back today, and that's all I was waiting on to take this thing out. And my wife suggested, you know, you built this thing up, take it somewhere cool. Don't just take it behind the neighborhood and the wasteland. So here I am. Sun has set. I got a helmet light. I got the light on this, but this is a shakedown ride at nighttime in the mountains at a cell service. But we'll have it handled. So here we go. Feels good. Feels real good. The suspension is money. Like the setup between the suspension and the flex bars, the two of them together are a good combination. Feels really plush and soft. My 300 suspension, much more harsh than this. A little bit of off-camber sharp stuff right here. This is where your bike gets hot, through here. Climbing. See what I'm at? I'm up there. 190. Not too bad. It's about on par with anything else. I finish out this last little section. I'll give you my initial ride impressions. So last little bit of single track that I'm going to do tonight. Yeah, I rode before. I need to do a little bit of adjustment. I need to put a little bit of free play in the throttle. Whoever had this before me had zero free play in the throttle. And it's a little sketch in terms of possible whiskey throttle. It's a lot like my 450 WR carbureted bike was. Here's the drop off. Get a little bit of speed. Okay. Very tractor-like my WR was. But has grunt and snap when you get into the throttle. And I haven't done a whole lot of that here today. But the big winner on this bike for me is the suspension. The suspension. Ooh, that front rotor. It's touchy. Gotta get used to it. But man, it really stops you. So until I ding it and bend it on a rock, I'm gonna run it. Happy with my build. That's what it comes down to. The setup. The flex bars. The recluse. the suspension. So Really liking this bike. So stay tuned, like I said. Some more rides. Really put this thing through its paces. I'm just wondering if during the day, if this thing's gonna overheat on me. It does have aftermarket radiators. Man, this thing is sick. I'm happy. I just hope, because it's nighttime and it's running over 200 degrees. But we are going through some tight single track. Absolutely beautiful. I don't know if you can make any of it out. Absolutely beautiful. Watch out, little rabbit. Oh my goodness, didn't even move. So I just gotta tell you guys, this bike is good. I think I like this bike better than my 300 two-stroke. Alright, here's the hard part right here. We got some stiff tires on this thing, and it just ate it up.